Welcome to Windsong Ranch, a spectacular master planned community located 2.5 miles west of the Dallas North Tollway in Prosper, Texas. I invite you to check out this beautiful community and learn about exciting features it has to offer. From tons of green space with hike and bike trails to fabulous amenity centers and, of course, the one and only lagoon. And the tour cannot be complete without a walkthrough of a few fantastic properties. Let's go! Hi, I am Irina with Irina Hirsch Realty, and today we are in an exciting new community in the town of Prosper, just west of the Dallas North Tollway on Highway 380. This is where luxury living meets the beauty of nature. Surrounded by the cities of Frisco, McKinney, and Plano, Windsong Ranch offers easy access to the best shopping, dining, and entertainment options in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Spanning over 2,000 acres, Windsong Ranch is a meticulously planned neighborhood slated to feature over 3,000 single-family homes, complemented by 4 distinct amenity centers, 4 schools, 2 fire stations, and expansive green spaces, parks, creeks, and trails. Indulge in unmatched amenities at the Commons, boasting a welcoming center, the Windsong Ranch Café, a cutting-edge fitness center, an outdoor oasis with a grand gas fireplace, and 2 pools with cabanas. Windsong Ranch provides an extensive network of paved hike and bike trails, tennis and pickleball courts, a basketball court, an event lawn with amphitheater, a community garden, a dog park, and vast green expanses. And you don't want to miss the lagoon. It is a 5-acre tropic-inspired amenity with clear Caribbean-like water and sandy beaches, set among the natural beauty of Windsong Ranch. This new resident-exclusive amenity is perfect for both relaxation and wide variety of recreational water activities such as swimming, kayaking, paddleboarding, and more. Of course, no tour of the community would be complete without a visit to a few exciting brand new properties. First, let's check out a gorgeous 2-story house by Coventry Homes. A variety of flexible and innovative floor plans are available. They can be customized, allowing you to make a home distinctly yours. Plans start from 640s for 2,200 square feet up to 1.3 million for 4,200 square feet. The model we are walking through is called the Hamlin and is built on a 76-foot lot, giving you plenty of backyard space. This is a 3,800 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 3-car garage property starting from $1 million. Now to the property offered by Tradition Homes. Tradition is a builder that also offered fully customizable plans. All of the plans feature inspiring architecture, progressive design, and custom touches that set them apart. I'm taking you inside this stunning model home, which is part of the patio collection. Starting at low 700s, this customizable Tradition home can be built from 3,000 to 3,600 square feet on 61 or 71 wide lots. We hope you enjoyed the tour. If you would like to further explore this community and see if there is a house or a lot that suits your needs, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I will be honored to help you find your next home.